You realize one morning that your Oriental rug smelled bad because you're having 2, 3, 4 dogs or maybe a cat that's using the Oriental rug not in a proper way. So what to do? You go on Google and you search Oriental rug cleaning, dog smell. And here is the video. And I was the same thing like you. This is my 2 dogs. I have 9 years old Doberman and a puppy. And the puppy using the Oriental rug not in the nice way. You know what I mean. So, you're looking for a service to clean the Oriental rug and removes the urine odor completely. You don't care how everybody clean it. Maybe it's better for you to care, especially if you're having $10,000 a silk Oriental rug like this in the pictures, or a custom Oriental rug that's specially made for you. Or you inherit the Oriental rug and you're looking to remove the urine odor and protect the rug the right way. Allow me to show you a cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug from urine odor. Most likely, I even can remove the stain. However, the urine odor will be removed completely and permanently, guaranteed. So how PetPeePee clean Oriental rug different than any other cleaning process in the world? Guarantee. I flood the Oriental rug on the top gently. I never use a scrubber. I never use a centrifuge machine or a steam cleaning or dry cleaner. Organic, natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea is my secret recipe. I flood the rug on the top and the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the rug. And the tube shows me in real time what the vacuum extract from the rug. So I can see in the tube all the pee-pee, the dog saliva, the cleaning product that you used in the past. Everything's the dirt. The tube show me everything's on the way to the sewage. When the cleaning process progresses, the natural cleaner from the Dead Sea flood the rug in the final cleaning process. Now I know the rug is clean. The tube show me no residue of any urine crystal. Clean. The Dead Sea minerals apply on the rug and vacuum through the rug several times. Now I have to vacuum it and let it dry on the floor flat completely. After 24 hours, the rug is almost dry. I hang the rug for the final drying because it's already dry. Done. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug gently. And the vacuum through the rug. So every nuts, every fiber will absorb the organic blended minerals from the Dead Sea that's killed the bacteria naturally. the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea, vacuumed through the rug. So every fiber in the rug, the cotton on the base of the rug, the wool, the silk, will absorb these blended minerals from the Dead Sea. That will kill the bacteria naturally. Dead Sea, dead, kaput, gone. And this is the recipe to remove the urine odor completely. Not by applying deodorizer or enzyme that mask the urine odor for a short period of time. We remove it permanently, and we dry the rugs on the floor in a 24 hours period. PetPeePee, we ship your rug nationwide. Thank you for watching PetPeePee video.